In this video, I want to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Canon PIXMA TS6520. So let's get started. This printer takes the black ink Canon 295 and the color ink 286 cartridge. They also come in the XL format. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some of these from Amazon. Okay, once you got your cartridges, we need to open the compartment where they go. Make sure that the printer is turned on. And on the side of the printer, you're going to notice there's a small edge over here where you can stick your fingers. Simply lift the whole panel up and it will stay in this position. As long as the printer is turned on, the ink cartridges carriage will be presented to you. So it's important to put the color ink cartridge always on the left side and the black ink will always go on the right side. Don't mix them up. To open the blue lid, simply press on the front over here and it will release this cover. Let's start with the color ink. So we're gonna take it, our color. I'm gonna peel off the orange tape. And now we simply have to bring the cartridge in this position, okay, with the contacts facing down. Simply put it in the appropriate slot. It should fall right in. You don't have to press anything. And at the end, simply bring the blue cover over it. When it's time to replace your ink cartridge, you open the blue cover, you take your finger and you're gonna place it, okay, right over here under the cartridge. It's a bit hard to show you, but yeah, you got an idea. Right over here, I can even use my pinky, and you're gonna pop the cartridge up, and then you'll be able to take it out and replace it. Okay, let me put it back. And now for the black ink, it's the same exact process. I will open the cover, take my cartridge, remove the tape, and simply bring it in this position until it falls right inside. Close the cover, and now to close the lid of the printer, it's quite easy. You simply have to push it up and then release. It will fall down slowly by itself. Okay, it may take a few seconds, but it will get there. Here we go. So this is it. Again, check my Amazon links if you want to get some replacement ink cartridges for this specific model, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment as well.